What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're just checking out a few businesses riding bikes with Macy, my sister, and Israel and Gabriel, their channel sucks. Yeah, they both really suck, but hurt Betty's, I tell you. But yeah, we're just filming, and we're outside of Planet Fitness just riding our bikes. Business 2, let's send it. What? Come on, Macy, hurry up. Oh. Okay, so pretty much Macy had to clean something up, so that kind of ruined the trip. But yeah, this is us just going back to Aunt Chrissy's, so that way we can do that, and we might go film some more, so don't worry, there will be more content too. That concludes our video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, don't fall for TMS tricks. Join the team today. In your face!